Have you ever been in a meeting brainstorming your next big project, only to realize you need to add a task to your to-do list? Or perhaps you're on the go, trying to check off items on your never-ending list, and your laptop is nowhere to be found. Sound familiar? Well, if you're a ClickUp user, you might be wondering, does ClickUp have an app? Let's dive in and find out. Now, for those of you who are new to ClickUp, let's do a quick rundown. ClickUp is essentially a productivity powerhouse. It's a project management tool, a task manager, a document editor, and so much more, all wrapped up in one neat package. But can you take this powerhouse on the go? That's the burning question, isn't it? Well, the short answer is yes, ClickUp does indeed have an app. And it's not just any app, it's a mobile marvel. It's designed to keep you organized and productive no matter where you are. Whether you're commuting, waiting in line, or simply relaxing on the couch, you can access your tasks, projects, and documents with just a few taps. But let's talk about what makes the ClickUp app so special. First off, it's incredibly user-friendly. If you're already familiar with the desktop version, you'll feel right at home. The interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate. You can quickly switch between different views like list, board, or calendar to find the perspective that works best for you. Now, let's talk about features. The ClickUp app packs a punch when it comes to functionality. You can create and assign tasks, set due dates and reminders, and collaborate with your team, all from the palm of your hand. Need to capture a quick thought or idea? No problem. The app has built-in note-taking capabilities so you can jot down anything that comes to mind. And let's not forget about time tracking. Whether you're working on a client project or simply trying to be more productive, the ClickUp app allows you to track your time with ease. You can start and stop timers, view time entries, and generate reports, all within the app. But what about those larger projects? Can you manage complex workflows on a small screen? Absolutely. The ClickUp app is equipped to handle even the most intricate projects. You can create custom views, set dependencies between tasks, and use automation to streamline your processes. And for those who love to stay organized, the ClickUp app has you covered. You can create folders and subfolders to keep your tasks and projects neatly categorized. Plus, the app offers a variety of search and filter options, so you can quickly find what you're looking for. But what about offline access? Can you still use ClickUp when you're on a plane or in a remote location? Fortunately, the ClickUp app supports offline functionality. You can access and edit your tasks, even when you're not connected to the internet. Now, let's talk about integrations. ClickUp is known for its extensive integration capabilities, and the app is no exception. You can connect your favorite tools and services, such as Google Drive, Dropbox, and Slack, to streamline your workflow. And to top it all off, the ClickUp app is available for both iOS and Android devices. So no matter what type of phone you have, you can stay productive on the go. So there you have it. ClickUp does indeed have an app, and it's an app that's worth checking out. Whether you're a seasoned ClickUp user or just getting started, the app is a valuable tool for staying organized and productive, no matter where you are. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.